My name's Yassine.
My name is Hassan.
Hi, I'm Lina.
My name is Sarjuk Member.
My name is Abdul Hadi.
My name is Sarah Muhammad Fawzi.
My name is Amani Howell.
I'm from Egypt, but I currently live in the UAE.
I am from Lebanon, but I live in the UAE.
I'm in year 9.
And I am in grade 11.
I took economics and business with Tuitional. For economics, I took it in May, June, and business in October.
There's been a little mix of humor with a little mix of seriousness, and I like that in a tuition because I don't like a tuition to be completely serious because
We are part of the Tuitional community. I love how everyone is so kind and friendly.
I sat for chemistry, physics, and first language English.
Like me, you'll know how important interactive classes are. That's definitely what Tuitional offers.
The booklets are really helpful. Chemistry, I do a lot of past papers, so it's really helpful that I get a sense of what I need to expect in GCSE.
They are really good at teaching stuff, so I could understand and do well in my exams before exams.
Their teachers are so friendly, and you get so many of these extra activities to make sure you have fun and to make sure you understand what you're learning.
Tuitional was enjoyable. I did enjoy most of it. Like I enjoyed.
Teachers are very supportive and they really make sure that everything that they are teaching is clear.
words cannot describe how satisfied I actually am.
So virtually as well, it seems like we are good friends now, and like there's no one toxic.